Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making delicious chicken biryani, a mouth-watering Indian dish famous for its rich flavors and aromatic spices. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: chicken pieces, basmati rice, saffron, garam masala, ginger, garlic, red chili, onion, salt, and turmeric. Don't forget your cooking oil and a non-stick pan. Begin by marinating the chicken pieces in a mixture of saffron, garam masala, ginger, garlic, and red chili. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes to infuse the flavors. Next, heat the oil in a non-stick pan and cook the marinated chicken on medium-low heat until it's cooked through. Season with salt and turmeric and cook for another 5 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, cook the basmati rice according to the package instructions. Once the rice is cooked, mix it with the chicken in the pan and add in the remaining spices. Finally, serve chicken biryani with a side of raita or mint chutney to soak up the remaining flavors. Enjoy your delicious and aromatic meal.